Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the FODESAN Retractable Golf Swing Training Aid. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, and test it out, let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so I want to show you a couple things here. First and foremost, it comes with an instruction manual, so make sure you open and read that. It's also got a nice little carry bag. So I want to talk specifically about what this thing does. So first of all, as you swing it, it's going to extend and hopefully click and lock into place, or not lock into place, and then pop back out as you're swinging. I also want to specifically show you the grip. So it's really set up, and I'm going to do my best here, for a right-hander's grip, the way I see it. And I'm going to put my thumb here and my finger, and so I'm trying my best to show you. My thumb and my finger are going to kind of lock into place like so, and then I'm going to hold into a golf position. I'm going to put my other thumb right on that edge. So we're kind of putting the V into the V and putting my thumb right there as we go into the swing. And I'm just going to show you real quick, kind of at you, that we're going to hopefully hear a click right at the point of contact. And that's really the idea, is that you're going to kind of be, if you slow it down, you're not going to get that same click. So I'm just going to work on getting that timing down to get the click at the right spot, which means that you're hitting it right. So kind of showing you from the side here, timed out. Now I'm not going to pretend to be a scratch golfer or anything like that, but that's the whole idea of this, is I need this because I'm not very good. So this is pretty awesome to practice with indoors where you don't need a lot of space. As you can see, the full extension is kind of shorter than my arm. So if you got room to swing, kind of get it out. You can work one hand at a time if you need to as well. So you can work just kind of front hand, backhand stuff, where again, I'm just going to work my backhand and see if I'm doing everything in the right format. I know I've got too much leg swing, but this will kind of help you get yourself settled into position. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Definitely recommended for anybody to keep in your bag for a couple warm-up swings or in the office or hanging out. Fun to do. Thanks for watching.